In this video, I would like to speak to you about seeing life, most of the experiences that you have as exciting. This greatly helps in manifestations. You will manifest much better experiences if you learn to find joy and excitement in your daily experiences. And this is easy to do when you understand that you are a soul having this experience of life. When you understand that you're an immortal soul in a mortal body having this one in a lifetime experience, this unique experience, then you kind of start understanding that this life is a lesson, this life is a game. And then it becomes fun. Even when experiences to the ego might seem mundane, you will find as a soul excitement in them. And it's similar to how we watch movies, and even though a hero goes through difficult times, for example, we still find it exciting to watch that hero going through it and experiencing different transformations. So that's how our soul sees our life, as exciting. All the experiences are exciting for it, but if we are ego identified, we will react negatively to negative experiences and positively to positive experiences, and then we would like to have more of those experiences that are positive, and we will attach expectations and so forth. But as soul, we see all the experiences as exciting, all the experiences as interesting and enriching us. And when we get into this perspective of soul and learn to function in this way, then we assure much better future manifestations, because we stop resisting negative experiences, but we welcome everything. We are open to everything. And even if something challenging happens to us, we see it in a positive way, such as us being able to learn and not to repeat the same mistakes. And also, if every experience has both positive and negative sides, because we live in a world of duality, so we need to focus on its positive sides, what benefits we get through going through difficult or even mundane experiences. For example, we might be going through the same experience over and over again because we resist it, we fail to understand what's trying to teach us. And as long as we don't understand it, we will experience it, because this life is a school for us. So everything can be exciting, everything can be interested. It just depends whether you see life through the perspective of the ego or through the perspective of the soul. And the more you center yourself, the more you are in your true nature rather than stuck in the mind, in the ego, the more you will see experiences as enriching and interesting.